Hi guys, welcome to this video. If you are looking for one video that captures the entire essence of ISER Kolkata, then it is this video, because this is going to be the most detailed ISER Kolkata campus tour, because I've structured it in a way that it's easier for you to watch so that you understand, because without coming to the campus you don't even know where to start. So that's why I've structured it in a way that I've made chapters so that you know where to watch. And so that's 7 gates in total, but I'm going to start off at the main gate, which is the gate number 7, not the gate number 1, because gate number 1 is where you have the whole ISER Kolkata banner, like the huge gate, but that is very less used because it's towards the highway. So the one that is used the most, that is the main gate in terms of how much we use it, is gate number 7. So let's start the video there. Before we get to gate number 7, let me briefly show you how you get to gate number 7. So this is something that you'll probably see in most of the videos, because the auditorium is sort of an attraction, and this lake also might be covered by a lot of YouTubers. So let's start here with something familiar. Okay, so from the auditorium I'm walking towards gate number 7, which is quite far at the end of the road. So I'll reach there and then I'll start the video. Okay, in general the walk till gate number 7 is very tiring, but when you walk with your friends you don't realize the distance. But it takes about good 7 to 8 minutes to walk till gate number 7. And this is sort of a butterfly garden that they were attempting to make, but I will go there later. Let's first get to gate number 7. Okay, so that is gate number 7 road. This is the library and the computer center building, and this is the auditorium. Okay, see, the thing is, because the campus is so huge, there's different roads to get to the same building. Okay, so at every point where I realize, okay, this is a different road to get to the same place, I'll stop and I'll explain, so that you get like an aerial view of sorts in your head, that how does the campus actually look like, or how the roads are connected. So you can see the auditorium in the distance now. That is where we started from, and now there is one more road here. This is a shortcut that we can take. Okay, one more interesting thing about ISER Kolkata campus is that it's almost circular. Okay, so if you go from gate number 1 to 7, you complete like a whole circle, and I'll tell you why. So we've almost reached gate number 7, and there's this security post before gate number 7, and it is upon this water body that you can see also from the main road. So this is one single stretch of water body, but once I'm at the bridge, I'm gonna show you something which you'll have to remember for later in the video. So this is the school, Garden High School, ISER Kolkata campus, and this is the water body that I'm talking about. This is the same canal that you can also see flowing by AIIMS Kalyani. AIIMS Kalyani is on right hand side, on that side. And yeah, this is still inside ISER Kolkata campus, so I'll show you. Give me a second. Okay, so that is where we came from. This is where the canal is going outwards. That is towards gate number 7, and this is where the water body is. And on that side, I'll just zoom in a little. Okay, so along that side is still inside the campus, and I'll take you there in a while, so remember it for later.
Let me tell you one thing, we do not need to come out to ISER gate number 7 for normal utilities. We do have a shop in the basement where the canteen is. We only come here when we need to get medicines or vegetables or fruit. और यहाँ पे एक साइकिल शॉप है जहाँ पे हवा भराते हैं, बट कैंपस के अंदर भी हॉस्टल के सामने एक रिपेयरिंग प्लेस इज अवेलेबल.
Now I'm at gate number 7, as you can see. Let's start the tour from here. This is where they always put the banners whenever there's any sort of event. You can see it up front on gate number 7. So that is where we came from, but I will start the tour from here. From here we will reach to gate number 1. Okay, Okay, so if you're wondering how huge exactly the IISER Kolkata campus is, then it's 200 acres, okay? And I've searched for 2-3 IISER campuses, all of them are 200 acres. Okay, so that is in terms of acres, but in terms of how long it takes to cover the entire campus, so I've actually measured this on my smartwatch, okay? So the thing is that we used to go on morning walks during the winter, and I used to calculate the exact steps I would need to cover the entire campus and everything. But the best estimate that I can give you is actually from marathon that I participated in the campus. So that marathon was on Republic Day. It was called the Pride Run, and that essentially covered the entire outer perimeter of the campus. So that comes out to be exactly 5 kilometers. And it took, so I wasn't running, of course, but I did jog at times, and I was mostly fast walking, and I did take rests in between. But so basically that is the fastest way you can walk and finish the entire perimeter. So that was around 53 minutes. So that's how long it takes you to cover the whole thing. Sun is looking really pretty right now. So that is gate number 7. You can't see it anymore, like there's many turns. So that's where we came from, and this is where we'll be going. This part, I don't know, this 100-meter stretch of the campus is my favorite part, and you can see there's pink flowers, so it feels like cherry blossoms. It hasn't all bloomed yet, but yeah, it looks really pretty. So see, there is a bridge here again, and it's the same water source, okay, that goes all the way up to gate number 7. But the zoomed in part is not this part. I will show you that in a while. So now we've reached gate number 1, and as you can see in the background, this is the background with which everybody has their LinkedIn profile pictures. So yeah, this is that spot, gate number 1. But this entire place is a little remote because there's nothing else except for the road to the highway, which is on that side. We've gone till the highway, but I can't go there right now because it's quite a lot of distance. So yeah, this entire place is in Horinghata Farms. So the entire place has fields and it's very remote. So we rarely ever come to this gate. The only gate that we actually use is gate number 7. So that's why 7 is the main gate and not gate number 1. We also have an SBI ATM here. Right when you come through gate number 1, you get the SBI ATM. There's another bank branch inside IISER Kolkata. It's the Indian Overseas Bank. And this is where the bus is kept. This bus leaves from the research complex. Not the research complex, sorry, the AAC. So the academic building is where this will leave from twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening at 5. So it goes till the main Kalyani market. Takes 10 rupees. So now we will go towards the research building, towards like the main area basically. Right now we were still like in the outskirts of the campus, but now this is where the main buildings you can see. Oh, FYI, this entire area, there are, the security uncle was like, hello, आप कहाँ से हो, आप कौन सा हॉस्टल से हो? So yeah, that happens. Anyway, so like they were thinking कि कोई बाहर से आके वीडियो बना रहा है, but anyway, so yeah, this, so like I was saying, this entire place. So there's foxes there. Okay, whenever we walk early in the morning or like at night, you can see foxes crossing sometimes. Okay, so now remember when I told you to remember the part of the video at the starting. So now I'm standing exactly where I had zoomed in from near gate number 7. So that place is where I was standing and I had zoomed in on here, and now you can also see the school bus for the school. And so yeah, so that's from where I had zoomed in, and now I'm standing there. So this is almost at the end of the road from gate number 1, and at the end of this road you can either go that way or this way, but both of these roads are basically the perimeter of the athletics ground, and behind the athletics ground is the academic and administrative complex. So I will cover this entire road and I will reach there, and I will start recording from AAC again. Okay, see, it's 5 o'clock, and like I told you, the bus is coming here. It will go in front of the AAC building, and that's where it will pick up the passengers. People are playing here. These are basically all research students, so whenever they get a little bit of break from the lab, they come here and play. It's a nice thing. One lawn type of an area, so two roads bifurcate here. It's basically two sides of the same lawn. This is the road that you take till the faculty housing, and this entire road is lined by Polish fruit trees. Okay, it's really beautiful. We'll go there. And this right here is the academic and administrative building. We are at the AAC building now, so let's go inside.
So AAC building is where you'll find all the offices. There are also certain labs in the second and third floor. The director's office is also in the AAC building. Our library and the administrative office building is connected by a hallway. I will show you that later in the video, but first let me show you how this looks. There are three main offices that we can go to. Usually when it's something academic related, mark sheet or something like that, we go to DOSA office. Otherwise, any other certificate, if you want bona fide, you go on the right one. And then I have still not figured out when do you go to this left office. Okay, so this is the hallway that I was talking about. As you can see in front, you can see the computer center. Now this building, half of it is the computer center and half of it is the library. So the right side is the library and the left side is the computer center. So this is the entrance of the library and CC. Basically, this is the back side of the administrative building. Right beside the library is the entrance to the research complex or the TRC building, and there is a very beautiful compound in this area, and the flag post can also be seen from here. Okay, so now let's go back to the entrance of the AAC building. That is the first floor hallway that we went to the computer center and library from.
So this is the road in front of the AAC building. That's where gate number 1 was. We came from there. And this road straight goes till faculty housing, the hostels. Okay. Let's go through. They had put dahlias for the entire stretch of the lawn till the end. And I'm gonna cross the lawn and I'm gonna walk you through the trees. Polash Fool has not bloomed fully yet, but it's really beautiful. And the flag also looks nice. I wanted to make the campus tour during the winter, but I got really busy with my exams and everything, so I couldn't. So if I stand next to the pole right now, you can see the scale, like just how huge the flag is. So all the flowers are sort of dying now. But yeah, it was really pretty during the winter. This is the research complex building. It starts here and it ends there. This is the AAC building and behind it is library and computer center. So there's in total 3 lakes in the campus. The first one I showed you, which was by the auditorium. So that is the first lake. We also have royal swans, by the way, near that lake only. And this is the only clear lake though. That one has algae, and there's another lake which I'll show you later that also has algae. But this is the only clear lake in the campus. We are going on the longest stretch of straight road that there is in the ISER campus. Okay, so this road that I'm on right now, this road is straight and you still can't see the end of it, and that was towards gate number 1, and this is towards the hostels, faculty housing and the guest house. So this is the TRC building, okay, till the very end. This whole thing is the TRC building, and that building is the lecture hall complex behind TRC. Now we've reached the guest house. Okay, I'll show you the guest house. I'll show you all the basketball, football, etc., whatever playing area we have. But the thing is that I don't have energy today anymore, so we'll cover the SAC building, the cricket ground and all that stuff, also swimming pool area, mandir, medical unit, everything in the next video. So find the link in the description. So this is the road from the academic building, and this is towards the hostel. That first building that you see is the ICVS. That is a completely boys hostel. After that we have the NSCB, and half of NSCB is boys, half of it is girls. This is the ground where we had our fest. This is exactly where the stage was, and that wine like building is our canteen. Here we have the guest house. I will show you what the guest house looks like from outside. You have no idea how tiring this whole deal is. Like, I'm somehow trying to reach till the hostel now. I'm so tired. On your left is the director's bungalow. This whole uh, boundary walled thing is the director's bungalow. And then we have the volleyball court and the basketball court adjoining the volleyball court. And then behind is the SAC building, and that's the football ground. Behind the SAC building is the cricket ground, but like I said, I don't have the energy today anymore. Also haven't covered the Nivedita hostel and the night canteen, and I think in the next video I'd also want to shoot some of the night videos of Iser Kolkata campus, so find the link in the description.
Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, then make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. If you like watching this video, then I'm gonna make a lot of Iser Kolkata related videos for the next 1 year. But either way, I've been making content for a while now, so you can go check out other types of videos that I make on my channel and still subscribe. After walking the entire campus, I was really hungry, so I had samosa chaat at the canteen. Today, this is what we have for snacks, but we have a very diverse menu at the canteen. I will make a separate video about every meal I had in the entire semester, so you can check it out later. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.
First, I'll show you the route that I covered in the previous video, and then I'll show you where we'll go today. So, yesterday, I started from here, the auditorium and the pond, as you can see. Then I took this road, and I also showed you the campus school. And then we were on this bridge, and then I went to gate number 7. And after that, I walked this entire stretch, walked till gate number 1, and then I came from here. And then this is where the bus was coming, and then I showed you the athletics ground. And then this is the academic building, and then this whole area was there were dahlias, and this is where the flag was, and then there's the pond. This is the straight road that we walked, and we crossed utility building, and this is the place where I showed you the basketball, volleyball ground, all of this. So this part is covered, okay? So the part that is left is this side. So this is what we're gonna cover in today's video.